Hey everyone, welcome to today's video, and in this video I'm just going to show you really quickly, really simply how to get your current time. So basically, you can just create a variable like this, and then you do datetime.now, and that will give you the current time of whatever system your app is running on. However, in this video I wanted to show you how you'd go about if you, let's say, are working with an external database, and whenever you add something to that database, you want to record the time that was added there, because maybe you want that to make it a unique item, or maybe you just want to track when that element got added to your database. So this is how you get the current time, and let me just show you what it looks like. So over here in the text, you have the first string variable right here. Let's replace it with this, and obviously do .toString, because if you do Control Q here, this is of type datetime, so obviously you need to turn it into a string. So if I save it, you'll see this change, and this is the raw information. And as you can see, it's very specific. So this is why it would be an option to use this just to make the item that you add to your database unique. However, if you have many users, there will be a risk that somehow two people at the same time add the element at the exact same time, and then it could be not as unique, but that's not the point here. So let's go back to how it was, first string, and basically if you were to do what we just discussed, you'd pretty much just have this map over here. This is just an example, of course, and let's just assume you would pretty much just have just a string as a key. Let's call it just object, whatever, and then you just pretty much add this over here, and then you could add the rest of the information. So this is pretty much how you would go about it. And then if you want to access this, it's actually pretty simple. You could do something like this. I'll just use this button as an example. So first, let me just Alt plus Enter, and that brings up this little option here. And now for us to access this over here, what I'm going to do is pretty much turn this information over here into whatever is over here. So back to the onPressed, let's do set state. So it updates, and now I'm just going to do first string equals to this map, and then if you go over here, you'll see the name of the string value is object. So we're pretty much going to go and say object over here as well. And then of course, once again, toString. And now that it's not a stateless widget, we can remove the final from here and put it like this. So let me hit the save button, and now I'm going to hit this, and this is going to transform into the information of the current time, like so. So hopefully, this is useful for somebody out there. If it is, please hit that like button. If it's not, I'm sorry for wasting your time. If you are a beginner, feel free to subscribe to keep on learning more and more about Flutter. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. This is Flutter Mentor, and out.